Wait, do you have a plan like for your meals? And if you don't, today is the day to get on that. Today, on day 27 of the Flylady 31 Baby Step Challenge, we are going to be covering meal planning. I know we added the other day an afternoon routine of what's for dinner, but here's where things get a little bit interesting. We're now going to add what's for dinner for your evening routine. But what's for dinner in the sense of we're going to think about ahead of time what is for dinner, what exactly are we going to cook the next day, and if you need to move anything over from the freezer onto the fridge, now is your time to do so. You might be wondering, what happens to the afternoon what's for dinner? Well, I have the answer to that. What's for dinner in the afternoon will still remain. However, it's more of a dinner prep instead of a plan. So think of the evening as a what's for dinner plan and the afternoon as a what's for dinner prep. As we all know, dinner time tends to be a little bit hectic. So the Flylady is super smart and she moved making dinner to the afternoon. If you don't work outside the home, you might be able to swing this. But if you do work outside the home, my personal advice is to start prepping in the morning if you can, or even the night before. If you can't, maybe consider having 1 or 2 days out of the week where you do meal prep, if you so wish. One way that you can incorporate this easily is the day that you go grocery shopping. When you come home from the supermarket, be sure to prep everything that you need to prep before putting it away. That way, you only handle the food once, but when it comes down to cooking, it'll be so easy. So now in the afternoon, what's for dinner? We begin to prep the dinner that we have planned. And in the evening, what's for dinner? We will be thinking of what we're going to plan. Now, there is a full day for meal planning, so I believe the Flylady did this on purpose just to get into the habit of it before we jump in. Here are some rapid fire meal planning tips that you might find useful. Instead of planning the meal every single day, exactly what you're going to eat, consider making 7 meals and then deciding which one you wish to eat on what particular day. That's what I'm accustomed to doing. However, I am trying this new thing, and if it works out, I'll make a full video on it. I plan meals by days, for example, meatless Mondays, taco Tuesday, etc., etc. That way, I don't have to think of a million and one types of different meals I can think. I can just stick to my categories. Not only has it been a whole lot easier, it is also quite fun as the whole entire family gets excited for one particular day. So if you want to try these themed meals and you want some inspiration, check out this video right here in order to get some delicious, easy, and quick vegetarian recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.